Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about something that's been a staple in the beauty world for years, lipsticks. But not just any lipstick. I'm diving into Burt's Bees Lipstick His Lipstick in the shade 502 Suede Splash. Known for its clean beauty appeal, this one promises to deliver rich color with a touch of nature, but does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Burt's Bees Lipstick in 502 Suede Splash comes in a sleek, eco-friendly tube with 0.12 ounces of product inside. The color is a beautiful nude with warm undertones, perfect for everyday wear or those low-key glam moments. Burt's Bees is known for its commitment to natural ingredients, so this lipstick is made with things like shea butter and moringa oil, which are both nourishing and hydrating for the lips. Plus, it's free of parabens, phthalates, and other nasties you might find in traditional lipsticks. When it comes to using this lipstick, it's all about that smooth, creamy application. The texture is silky and glides on effortlessly. I was surprised by how comfortable it felt on the lips. No dryness or uncomfortable tugging. The color payoff is impressive, especially for a clean beauty product. It's not as intense as some other high pigment lipsticks, but it's buildable, so you can achieve a more defined look if you desire. I tested this out during my daily routine, and I have to say the staying power was pretty solid. I didn't need to touch up for several hours, which is always a win in my book. However, I did notice that it faded a little more unevenly than other long-wearing lipsticks I've tried, which might be something to keep in mind if you're expecting all-day wear without reapplication. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are definitely in the formula. It feels nourishing thanks to the shea butter and oils, so your lips stay soft and hydrated even after hours of wear. The color is flattering, a versatile nude, and it's buildable, which is great if you prefer a more subtle look. And of course, it's a plus that it's made with natural ingredients, so you're not putting anything too harsh on your lips. On the flip side, while it's moisturizing, I did find it didn't have the same level of longevity as some other lipsticks. It's not as long-wearing as, say, a liquid matte lipstick. Also, the pigment isn't as bold in one swipe as I would have hoped, but if you like buildable color, that's not necessarily a deal breaker. As for value for money, Burt's Bees lipstick falls in the mid-range price category. It's a bit pricier than drugstore lipsticks, but when you factor in the clean ingredients and the brand's commitment to sustainability, I think it's worth it. Plus, you're getting a quality product that's both nourishing and pretty on the lips. But if you're someone who's after ultra-long-lasting wear or intense color in a single swipe, you might want to explore other options. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely options at a lower price point that offer more intense pigmentation and longer wear. If you're willing to trade off some of the clean beauty perks, brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer similar shades with more longevity, but they won't have the same nourishing qualities as Burt's Bees. Let's talk about the build quality. Nothing too fancy, but it's functional. The packaging is sturdy, and I love that it's eco-conscious. The lipstick bullet is easy to apply, and the cap stays secure, so no worries about it popping open in your bag. Is it worth it? If you're looking for a more natural lipstick option with a comfortable feel and a wearable color, Burt's Bees Lipstick in Suede Splash is a solid choice. It's a great pick for those who want to go a little cleaner with their beauty routine without sacrificing quality. However, if long-lasting wear is a priority, you may want to look elsewhere. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. I want to know your thoughts. Have you tried Burt's Bees lipstick? Or do you have a favorite natural lipstick that you swear by? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.